The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, eastern Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, north central Cross County in eastern Arkansas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Harrisburg, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jolliffe Store, Payne, Eastview, Lenny, Vale, Itala, Marktree, Willamette Junction, Carmi, Wisp, Buckeye, Osceola, Promised Land, Bay Village, Chilson, Caraway, Alto, Little River, Judd Hill, and Herman Davis State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for eastern Arkansas and southeastern Missouri. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Craighead, Cross, Mississippi, and Poinsett.